How to install Viper for Android sound mod on your Android 11 device. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Viper for Android sound mod on your Android 11 device. Do note, you need to be rooted using Magisk and need to have Magisk Manager installed. At the time of recording this video, if you want to root Android 11, you have to use the Canary build of Magisk, the link to which can be found in the pinned comment on this video. Other than that, you also need the Viper for Android Magisk module, which can be found in the description of the video. And do note that your SE Linux is going to change from enforcing to permissive. How does that affect you? I have a few links in the pinned comment, so make sure you read those as well. And as you can see right now, my SE Linux is set as enforcing. Next thing we're going to do is we will open Magisk Manager, and then you need to tap on the fourth option from the bottom. It is going to take you to modules. Select install from storage, three-dot menu on the top right, and you can select show files in case you do not see your files. But other than that, you can tap on the three-bar menu on the top left and select your device's name, in this case the Poco F1, and now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the Viper for Android Magisk module. In case you downloaded it on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. In my case, I have transferred it manually, so it is in the root directory, and all you need to do is select the Viper FX Android 11 file, and once the file has flashed successfully, all you need to do is reboot. Now while our device is rebooting, in case you get into a boot loop because of this Magisk module, I do have a separate video showing you how to fix a boot loop caused by a Magisk module, and again, that video can be found in the description of this video. Back into Android, we can unlock our device, and next up we can open the application drawer. Bam, here it is. Viper for Android in the building. Before that, let us check our SE Linux status. So we'll wait for terminal to boot up, and now we are going to type in SU for super user request. As you can see, it was granted super user rights, and then we are going to type in get enforce to check our SE Linux status, and there it is. You can see that SE Linux is now permissive, and next up we can open Viper for Android and tap on this icon which is besides the settings icon. So this option, you will see that neon enabled is yes, which means that the drivers are installed successfully and Viper for Android will work absolutely fine. You can also open Magisk Manager, go into the modules tab and make sure that Viper for Android is enabled. Next up, we can have a small demo of Viper for Android. And there it is. You just heard that Viper for Android is working like a boss on my Poco F1, which is running Android 11. However, this process should work on other devices running Android 11 as well. In case you want to go back to SE Linux being enforcing, what you need to do first is remove the module, and then you might have to dirty flash your ROM so that you can go back to SE Linux as enforcing. And there it is, peeps. That is how you install Viper for Android on your Android device running Android 11. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.